Most people open the hood of their car and instantly close it again. A greasy, dusty engine bay looks like a mechanic's nightmare, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine lifting your hood and seeing everything clean, fresh, and shining. Wires neat, hoses black and smooth, metal bright and dry. Today I'll show you a proven, safe, step-by-step method to clean your engine bay completely on your own. No mechanic, no expensive tools, and no risk to your car. This method is simple, satisfying, and once you've done it, you'll never go back. You'll not only have a cleaner engine, but also a stronger connection with your car, understanding it inside out. Why clean your engine bay? Your engine bay is the heart of your car, yet it's also the most ignored. Dirt, grease, and oil not only look bad, they slowly eat away at parts, wires, and rubber hoses. A clean engine bay keeps your car running cooler, helps spot leaks early, and boosts your vehicle's resale value. When you care for your engine, your car rewards you with better performance and reliability. Cleaning your engine also gives you a sense of control. You're not just driving your car, you're maintaining it like a pro. And every time you open that hood, you'll feel proud of the work you've done. Regular engine bay cleaning also reduces the risk of electrical failures caused by grime and moisture buildup. Professional mechanics even take engine cleanliness as a sign of how well you maintain your vehicle overall. Plus, working in a clean engine bay is safer and less frustrating. Tools don't slip, and parts are easier to access. It also prevents long-term corrosion that can get extremely expensive if ignored. And honestly, a clean engine bay simply makes you feel like your car is in peak condition inside and out. Discovering the secret method. When I bought my first used car, the exterior looked great, but under the hood, it was a nightmare. Thick oil, grime, and years of neglect. I almost paid a professional to clean it until I decided to try it myself. After research, mistakes, and a few experiments, I developed a safe, effective system that anyone can follow. No mechanic needed. That first successful clean completely changed how I looked at car care. I realized that anyone, with patience and the right method, can bring their engine back to life. It's not about skill, it's about confidence, care, and the right process. And the best part, you don't need expensive equipment or fancy brands to do it right. I even began to enjoy the process. It felt like therapy with real, visible results. Friends and family started asking how my engine always looked showroom fresh. Every new engine I cleaned boosted my confidence even more. Now I don't just drive my cars, I restore them from the inside. This secret method didn't just save me money, it started a passion, the golden rules. Before we start, safety is everything. Always make sure your engine is completely cool. Never clean it while it's warm or running. Turn off the ignition, wait at least half an hour, and then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent short circuits. You're not just cleaning, you're caring for a powerful machine. Also, be mindful of your surroundings. Avoid working under direct sunlight and wear gloves to protect your skin. The goal here is not just a spotless engine, but a safe, smooth experience that leaves both you and your car in perfect condition. Use only automotive-safe products. Household chemicals can damage electronics and paint. If you're unsure about a component, don't guess. Take a moment to double-check before spraying. Cover sensitive parts like alternators, exposed wires, and air intakes to avoid unnecessary risks. This isn't a race. Gentle, controlled cleaning always beats rushing. Remember, a smart cleaner protects first, cleans second, and finishes with confidence. Setting up for success. Start by clearing away loose dirt, leaves, or debris around the engine bay using your hands or a soft brush. Next, protect sensitive parts like the alternator, exposed wires, battery terminals, and air intake. Use small plastic bags or cling wrap to cover them. It only takes a few minutes, but prevents damage later. Good preparation means smooth cleaning and no surprises. This stage might feel simple, but it's the foundation of the whole process. A little extra time here saves you from hours of fixing electrical issues later. Treat it like setting the stage before the main performance. The cleaner your setup, the better your results. Use painter's tape to secure the plastic so water doesn't slip underneath. Take a quick photo of the engine before covering parts. It helps you remember where everything goes when you remove the wrap. Keep a microfiber towel nearby. You'll need it more than you think. This is the moment where you mentally shift from car owner to engine detailer. Once everything is protected, you're officially ready for the satisfying part, the deep clean, breaking down the grime. Now the fun begins. Use a quality engine degreaser or a mild all-purpose cleaner. Spray evenly over dirty surfaces, starting from the underside of the hood and working downward. Let the cleaner sit for 2 to 3 minutes, then grab a soft detailing brush or paintbrush and gently scrub. You'll see the grime breaking down, revealing the true color of your engine's surfaces. Work section by section so you don't miss spots. Don't rush this part. The slower you go, the more precise your cleaning becomes. Each stroke of your brush is bringing life back to your engine, layer by layer. As you scrub, you'll notice how the engine starts to look newer, almost like it's waking up again. Focus on corners and tight spots. That's where the worst dirt hides. Don't be afraid to respray certain areas. Stubborn stains sometimes need a second treatment. This is the moment where you actually see the transformation happening in front of your eyes. And the coolest part, the more detailed you're brushing, the more professional your final result will look. Safe and controlled cleaning. When it's time to rinse, don't reach for a pressure washer. Use a low-pressure hose or even a spray bottle filled with clean water. Gently rinse from top to bottom, letting gravity pull away the dirt. Avoid soaking electrical components. A light rinse is all it takes. You'll see the cleaner and dirt flow away, leaving a fresh, tidy look behind. This step is all about balance. Too little water and you'll leave residue. Too much and you risk problems. Move patiently and visualize the final look you want. Every droplet is helping restore that factory fresh finish. This controlled rinse also helps prevent streaking and water spots on plastic covers and painted areas. Tilt your hose or bottle at an angle. It helps water glide instead of splash. If something still looks dirty, don't force it with water. Go back with your brush. This is where precision beats power every single time. Think of it like detailing jewelry. Gentle technique brings out the shine better than aggressive force, protecting what you just cleaned. Grab a few clean microfiber towels and carefully dry every area. Use a small air blower or a hair dryer on cool setting to remove water from tight spots and connectors. Proper drying is what separates a good detail from a great one. It prevents corrosion and ensures your work lasts longer. Take your time, because once it's dry, your engine will already look like new. If you want a professional touch, open the hood for 20 minutes to let natural air circulation remove any hidden moisture. The cleaner you dry it, the longer it'll stay spotless and safe from rust. This is also the perfect moment to spot any leaks or loose clamps you might have missed earlier. Professional detailers always say, drying is 50% of the final result. And it's true. Wet areas hide imperfections. Dry surfaces reveal perfection. A properly dried engine bay allows dressings and protectants to bond better and last longer. This stage turns your clean engine into a preserved engine, protected, sealed, and ready to shine. Adding the professional touch. Now for the finishing magic. Use a plastic and rubber conditioner to restore the deep, dark shine on hoses, caps, and plastic trims. Apply it gently with a microfiber pad. Don't overspray. This protects against heat, UV rays, and cracking. Your engine bay will look rich, clean, and professionally detailed, all from your own driveway. This step is what truly impresses people. It's that glossy, cared-for look that makes every car enthusiast smile. When you look under your hood after this step, you'll see not just an engine, but pride, effort, and craftsmanship. And here's the secret. The shine actually helps future dirt slide off easier. Detailers don't just make it look good, they make it stay good. Even a light coat transforms faded plastics into factory-fresh surfaces in seconds. A consistent finish tells you everything is evenly treated. No patchy gloss, no dull spots. This is the moment where your engine doesn't just look clean, it looks valuable, keeping it spotless long-term. After a full clean, you don't need to repeat this every week. Once every 6 months is perfect for most cars. In between, just wipe down visible dust or light dirt with a soft microfiber cloth. Regular maintenance keeps everything easy to manage and helps you detect leaks or worn parts before they become major problems. Remember, a few minutes every month keeps your hard work intact. Think of it as routine self-care for your car. Short, easy sessions that make sure your engine always looks its best and performs like new. Some people even keep a small brush in the glove box for quick touch-ups after long drives. A quick wipe every now and then is all it takes to keep that fresh, detailed look alive. The cleaner it stays, the easier each future deep clean becomes, like a compounding reward. This habit silently boosts the lifespan of parts you can't see but rely on every day. Consistency turns average car owners into true car caretakers, with engines that always look ready for the showroom. Why this method works. Reason this method works so well is because it's gentle but thorough. You're not attacking your engine with high pressure or harsh chemicals. You're cleaning it with care. It's about patience, control, and attention to detail. When you take the time to understand your car, cleaning becomes more than maintenance. It becomes a connection. This approach builds confidence. You'll notice things you've never seen before. Small leaks, aging wires, or loose bolts. It turns a simple cleaning task into a moment of understanding between you and your car. That's the real magic of this method. It also creates a habit of awareness. You stop being reactive and start being proactive. You're not just preserving appearance, you're preserving performance. By staying gentle, you minimize risk and maximize longevity of components. This method respects the engine instead of overpowering it, and engines respond to respect. And once you see the results, you'll never go back to the rushed, careless ways most people clean. Now picture this. You open your hood and everything gleams. Wires neat, hoses polished, metal shining. You did that yourself. No mechanic, no expensive tools. Just the right method and a little effort. And the best part? You can do it again anytime with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy, effective car care tips. In upcoming videos, we'll explore how to detail your interior, protect your car's paint, and handle DIY maintenance like a pro. Thanks for watching, and remember, a clean engine is a happy engine, and a happy driver enjoys every single mile.